This is going to be a short video about the basic features of WebMO, which is a very nice tool for either students who just start learning the field or experts who prefer to use the command line but, for example, don't know how to use a specific program. Now I will start by creating a new job. Now of course you can import molecules, but here I would like to show you how to use the builder and draw my own molecule. Okay, so we go to the editor, and if you just click once, by default the program is going to insert a carbon atom, and if you click, drag and release, you're going to draw a carbon-carbon bond. Now you can make this a double bond if you want, but let's not do this for this example. For ethanol, of course, I need oxygen. Here it is. And I need hydrogen. Here it is. Okay, one good thing about this builder is that you can just click on cleanup and add hydrogens to complete the valence. And you should also check all the other options available. Just play around with it. Another good feature is that, for example, if you don't like this geometry, because it doesn't look very optimized at the moment, you can clean it up a little bit. For example, you can click on geometry and it will create a slightly better looking starting structure. Also you can do optimization with molecular mechanics. And let's say now you're happy with your initial structure and would like to move on. So for that I can just close the editor and then click continue. On this screen you're asked to choose a program. On this cluster we have 3 programs interfaced with WebMO, and for this example I'm going to choose QChem. If you have multiple Qs, you can select Q from here. We have only one. Then we can proceed. On the next screen you see menus with available calculation options from your program. So here is just a title. I can add anything I want. I will call it ethanol. And here you choose what you want to do. For example, let's say we want to optimize the molecule and then run vibrational frequencies analysis. Here you choose a method. I'm going to choose B3LYP and some small basis set just so that it runs fast. You can of course select charge and multiplicity and various other options in the advanced menu here. We're not gonna need them for this example though. One very useful thing is the preview menu here. What it does is if you click on generate, it's going to generate the actual input that goes into QChem. Or if you choose another program, let's say MolPro, it's going to generate the MolPro input. And very good thing is that you can actually change anything you like here. For example, if you change your mind and you don't want to do an optimization, you can just change it to single point. But in my case, I want to show you the optimization, so I'm going to just accept the input as it is. And then I click on continue here, and this will submit the and in the main menu you will see it as running. This is a very quick job, so I'm just going to refresh my screen, and here it is. It says complete already. Then you can click and view your results. Now here's my molecule, and if you'd like, here you can see an animation of the geometry optimization. You can just click here and you will see how the geometry and your energy changes during the optimization. You can also cycle this or loop so that it will continuously run the same movie. If you go a little bit down, you can see the energy at each step. Also, you can see certain information that was pulled out from your output, such as dipole moments, vibrational enthalpy, symmetry, and things like that. If you go further down, you'll see partial charges, and here is the result of the vibrational frequencies calculation. A very nice feature is that you can select any of these frequencies and animate them. Let's say I'd like to see this vibrational motion. I click here, and if I go up, it will show me which what kind of vibration it is. Okay, so another thing that you should probably always check is the raw output. This is what QChem actually gives you as an output before WebMO parses it into the graphical interface. So if you're a command line type of person, you can still use WebMO with this feature here. You can go and find the information that you need on this output. One thing you should probably always check is that everything went okay and that you see a normal termination of your program. Okay. WebMO has a lot of other useful and advanced features, but I will show these in other videos.